Warning. Warning. This is the emergency alert system. There has recently been a spike of missing people in the Rockbrook County area. State and county officials advise people in and around Rockbrook County to lock their doors and windows. Officials have advised citizens of Rockbrook County to stay indoors at night and not exit your house for any reason. If you need to exit your home for any purpose at night, travel in groups of 2 or more to ensure your safety. If you hear a familiar voice calling out to you from the woods, do not approach. Call the authorities right away and vacate back to the interior of your home immediately. Do not approach the voice. Do not approach the voice. They are not who you think they are. Do not approach the voice. This message will repeat.